Friends, Running Kimono here, and this is your Walgreens preview for the week of November the 5th to the 11th. Lots of great deals in this ad, and sometimes expect the unexpected over at Walgreens. A small thing and change in the apps can make it a really terrific weekend. So far, we have this booster, which is 20 back when you spend 60 plus on holiday essentials, and it is valid for the next 2 weeks. I'm wondering, what is a holiday essential? That's my question, because if it's lip balms included, I'm going to go crazy with this one. I also saw in the ad, if you don't want to spend the full 60, there's also 10 back when you spend 40. So that is interesting too. Now, this is something I've been looking at for the last couple of weeks over at Walgreens. It's this lip balm advent calendar for $19.49, 12 days of chapstick. And if this booster does in fact attach, I'm certainly going to grab a couple of those. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on the Walgreens app on Sunday, November the 5th. In case you missed it, a couple days back, I made a video about Ibotta. They are offering the free Thanksgiving dinner again. You have to do so many rebates, and you could do some of these rebates if you wish over at Walgreens. Collect so many to get your sides and then the turkey, and you might want to check that out. And if you have not signed up for Ibotta, today is the day to do it. Check out the link in the notes. When you submit your first qualifying receipt, $5 bonus. And this free turkey with the sides, really fantastic. And if you guys could do me a huge favor and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing today. That would make my day. Quick little story time for you. This little bed I recently purchased for Suzu, the Walgreens cat. And guess who's sleeping in it? I have no words. And I don't know why he's doing that, but he looks very smug. Halloween over at Walgreens right now is 50% off. I'm guessing within the next week, probably Saturday, and moving into next Tuesday, it might hit 80 or 90. They really want to move the remaining merchandise to make more room for Christmas. So definitely be on the lookout in the store. Probably Saturdays or Tuesdays are the best days to go in there and see what's happening. And once I have firm confirmation on 75, 90 or whatever, I will definitely put it on the community tab here on my YouTube page. Okay, the first little dealio we're going to look at is with the TRESEMME hairspray, $6 to $7, $5 reward when you buy 2, and we're going to have a 3 off 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday. Now, if you head over to your Ibotta account, there's a $2.50 back with a limit up to 5, so that's $5 back when you buy 2 hairsprays. Make sure to double, triple check that this Ibotta rebate is there and that it's attaching to the said items we're grabbing. 2 of these hairsprays for $12, subtracting that digital, you're going to pay $9. Get back one $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt to Ibotta for $5 back, making this free and a $1 money maker. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. Next deal that we're looking at is the Crest $5 to $8, $5 reward when you buy 3, and we have a 5 off 3 digital. I really hope that coupon resets because I used mine the weekend previous. Grabbing 3 of the Crests for $15, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $10. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $5 for the 3 or $1.66 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. Listerine, I know a lot of you we don't have a lot of deals for this, so let's figure out a deal. $7, a $2 reward when you buy 2, and we have a $1 digital. I'm very sure that ShopMe will also have a $1 back as well, so make sure you apply to that on Sunday, but you're going to have to double, triple check it's there. But grabbing 2 of these, that's $14 on the nose. Subtracting the $1 digital, you're going to pay $13. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $11 for the 2 or $5.50 per bottle. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. Okay, so this next deal, we're going to grab 2 of the Old Spices for $7.49, $4 reward when you buy 2, and we have a 3 off 2 digital. Here it is. You're going to load our little friend, which is a 3 off 2 digital. Ibotta is also giving back $5 when you buy 2. So 2 of them is $14.98. Subtracting your digital, you're going to pay $11.98. Get back one $4 register reward and $5 from Ibotta. Ibotta is giving back $5 when you purchase 2 of these body washes. Double, triple check that rebate is still there, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. I'm always happy when this deal shows up. $1.24 Dawn dish liquid. and a dollar register reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of these is $2.48. Get back your dollar register reward, making it $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. Remember, guys, if you're going to get, like, say, 2 of them, you'll have to break it up into 2 separate transactions. That dollar register reward only prints once per transaction. And if you could possibly track down 2 of these gains, I know around here they're almost impossible to find. They're $1.99 on the same promotion as the Dawn. Grabbing 2 of them, that's $3.98. Get back a dollar register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per dish soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. Okay, so now we're going to look at this deal. $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $30 on Excedrin. Because the word spend is in there, you cannot use Walgreens cash. Period, end of story. We're going to load this friend, which is a 6 off of 2, and we're going to grab 2 of the $15.99 Excedrins that are the 100 count. So 2 of them is $31.98. Subtracting your digital, you'll pay $25.98 with your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash, making it $15.98 for the 2 or $7.99 per. Remember, do not use any Walgreens cash, as this is a spend offer. Okay, so I don't know what digital coupon we're going to get, but whenever the all drops to $4.99 or $3.99, we usually get either $1.25 or a dollar coupon, so either $3.74 or $3.99. But we're going to have to wait till Sunday morning to see what digital coupons that we're going to receive for this one. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first is the $1.99 or $3.99. They've jumped it up on a couple of items. But yeah, the $1.99 stuff, the toilet paper, chips, meat and potato stuff. We have a buy one, get 2 for free on the complete home bags. I know for a lot of home cooks, this is always a great deal of the week. And 2 for $21 for the Huggies. $5 reward when you buy 3. We're going to have to wait and see what digital coupons show up for that because all of them are expiring right now. Now at $4.99, we're on a BOGO 50% off for the Burt's Bees holiday lip and skin cute stuff. This possibly could be very cheap if this is part of that Christmas thing, that weird booster, along with the Scuncy BOGO 50% off. And 3 for $13.99 for the ginger ale and those good drinks if you're trying to, stockpile some soda for the holidays. We also have buy 2, get 1 for free on the M&Ms. So that's not bad. And then also we have $4 Hershey's Christmas candy. There's an IVC dollar off, so it'd make it $3.50 per bag, but you have to buy 2 because it's $1 off 2, so not too shabby there. And the final honorable mention that we're looking at is the Purex buy 1, get 2 for free. Usually it's like $7.99 for the first, so not too shabby for that one. Some quick little clearance finds I've been seeing at multiple stores is the Starbucks triple shot, 90% off at 40 cents, and this Lindt almond white chocolate for 79 cents. Always check expiry dates because both of these have kind of quick expiry dates. And before I take off, if the Walmart Black Friday might pique your interest, that starts on the 8th, which is next Wednesday. $35 Keurigs. We have $69 AirPods, $148 television, and that's a 50-incher. I mean, this is just a really great ad, and if this is the first of their 3 weeks, it's going to be really terrific. So you might want to check this out if you love Walmart Black Friday. I certainly do. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.